Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG Microwave Door Latch Spring. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door latch spring. The door latch spring puts tension on the door latch, so when you close the door latches and engages with the door switch. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the microwave won't start because it thinks the door is open. In order to change the part, we have to open up the microwave door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the choke cover. It's held in by locking tabs all around the outside. They can be a little tricky to get off, so you have to be careful. We're going to use a couple putty knives to get in here and release them. One to release them and then another one to go behind and hold in place so it doesn't snap back in. Once you get up to the end, there's also a little locking tab here in the center. Just going to release that real quick and then get the corners out. Once you have all the tabs released, you can pull it off the door and set it aside. Now we can take off the outer door. It's held in by screws around the frame. There's two big ones on this end and then 5 around the frame. Now that we have the screws out, we have to release these 4 locking tabs that go across the top to hold the outer door frame on. We're just going to use a flathead screwdriver and reach in and lift up on it and hold it so it doesn't snap back in. Then you can do the rest. Once you have them all released, you can just carefully pull the outer door off. You're going to have to get it from around the frame and just carefully push it back. Once you have it free, you can pull it off and set it aside. Now that you have the outer door removed, we have access to the door latch spring. It's just hooked into the door and the latch itself. We're just going to use a small needle nose pliers and unhook it. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the microwave. Here's the old door latch spring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new door latch spring on, you want to grab it with the pliers and then make sure the bottom is hooked on like this so the top part is hooked this way so it's easier to hook in. Once you have it lined up, we're going to hook it onto the door and stretch it up and hook it onto the latch. Once you have it on, we can put the outer door on. To put it on, we're just going to lift it in place, and you want to make sure that it goes over the hinges, and then pull the bottom in, and then pull on the top to lock it in. Now that we have the outer door snapped on, we can put the screws in. Remember, the 2 big ones went on the end, and then the 5 went around the door itself. Now we can put the choke cover back on. All you have to do is lift up into place and make sure that the latches come through the openings. And just go around and carefully snap it on. Once you have the door put back together, you can close it, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.